Hello, welcome, bonjour. My name is Emma and I will be teaching you French through all of these videos. I hope you enjoy them. In today's video, we're going to talk about c'est pour moi. C'est pour moi, which means it's for me. It's something for me. So it's for me an honor or something like that. It's an honor to me or yeah. So we're going to jump right in. Let's go here, maybe there. Okay. So, in French, there are many ways to express your opinion or your feeling, your position about the whole situation, but this is one of them. So, c'est pour moi something. C'est pour moi un grand honneur. Un grand honneur. C'est pour moi un grand honneur. It's a great honor to me. So, when something's really exciting to you or whatever, you say, to me, this is something. So, c'est pour moi un grand honneur. Un grand honneur. We do the liaison between the D and the H because H is silent, so un grand honneur. It's a great honor to me. Then, c'est pour moi une joie de vous rencontrer. C'est pour moi une joie de vous rencontrer. It's a great pleasure to meet you, to me. So, in English, we don't always add the personal aspect of it, the to me. But in French, we use it, and it's there in English. No, wait. Anyways, c'est pour moi une joie de vous rencontrer. C'est pour moi une joie de vous rencontrer. It's a great pleasure to meet you. To me. It's a great pleasure to meet you. C'est pour moi une chose impossible. C'est pour moi une chose impossible. Une chose impossible. It's impossible to me. It's an impossible task. It's an impossible thing to me. C'est pour moi une chose impossible. Then the next one, c'est pour moi un grand sacrifice. C'est pour moi un grand sacrifice. It's a great sacrifice to me. It's a great sacrifice to me. C'est pour moi un grand sacrifice. Now in the sample dialogue, we can, I'm going to go through it slowly and then a little bit faster. So, pourriez-vous venir à la cérémonie? Pourriez-vous venir à la cérémonie? Pourriez-vous venir à la cérémonie? Could you come to the ceremony? Pourriez-vous venir à la cérémonie? Bien sûr. Bien sûr. Of course. Bien sûr. Alors, voulez-vous prononcer un discours? Voulez-vous prononcer un discours? Would you like to give a speech? Voulez-vous prononcer un discours? Would you like to give a speech? Ce serait pour moi un grand honneur. Ce serait pour moi un grand honneur. It would be a great honor for me. It would be a great honor for me. Ce serait pour moi un grand honneur. Now a little bit quicker. Pourriez-vous venir à la cérémonie? Bien sûr. Alors, voulez-vous prononcer un discours? Ce serait pour moi un grand honneur. Now next are the words that we used in the sample sentences today. So we have honneur, which sounds like the English word honor. Honneur. We have grand, which means big or great in size usually. Joie, joy or pleasure, joie. Then we have rencontrer, the verb rencontrer, which is to meet, rencontrer. Une chose is a thing. It's a very vague word that we tend to not use too much in French because it doesn't define what you're talking about. So une chose, a thing. Impossible. Impossible. Impossible, which means impossible. It's the same word as in English, but it's pronounced differently. It's pronounced the French way. Impossible. Impossible. Then we have sacrifice. Again, it's written the same as in English, sacrifice, but we pronounce it the French way. Sacrifice. Sacrifice. We have the verb to pouvoir. So that means to be able to. Pouvoir. So we also use it for other situations, but in this case, in the case of our examples, it was to be able to. Cérémonie, cérémonie, ceremony, cérémonie, cérémonie. Bien sûr is not a noun or a verb, it's more of a saying. Bien sûr, of course, bien sûr. Then we have the verb vouloir, which is to want. Vouloir, vouloir, to want something. Prononcer, prononcer. It's close to prononciation. And prononciation is like the English word pronunciation. However, in this context, prononcer is to deliver a speech. So, prononcer. But it can also be translated to pronounce, depending on the context. Then we have the word discours, 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 which means a speech. Prononcer un discours, to deliver a speech. Now, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Merci de votre attention. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video.